Today I want to show you the lightest grip that Golf Pride makes. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. Here in my hand is the Golf Pride grip, and it's very light. Is it the lightest one they make? I don't know. I think it is. That's why I got it. I just wanted to give you a little tour of it because I've been intrigued by it, because Golf Pride really has made fantastic grips forever, but they make them in this rubber material which tends to be very durable but not very light. It tends to be very grippy too. That's why I think they do it. Now this one is the Tour 25 lightweight. It's obviously black here. It looks just like every other golf grip, but I just wanted to prove to you that it is pretty light. Now here is another golf grip. This one, it's not Karma or something. It's just a very, very generic one. I have picked up many of these before to regrip some old golf clubs, stuff that I just want looking pretty good. It actually looks pretty similar. It has a little bit of that same design on it. But, you know, if I were to put these side by side here, they certainly look to be about the same size. I mean, they're not mounted on a golf club or anything. So as you put them on, you know, that 0.6 inch end kind of blows them out a little bit. But as far as I can tell, everything about them looks pretty similar, so the width of the material and everything. But as I hold this one, I can tell that it is a little heavier, and I just want to show you, I have never really measured the standard golf grip. I am going to do it in grams here. So what we can do here is put on this generic rubber one. It says 50 grams. I'm not sure if you can see that there. Kind of a standard weight for most golf clubs. But if I put on the Tour 25, ooh, it says 27 grams right there. Still plastic on there, so could just be adding a little bit of weight. But 27 grams versus 50 grams, this thing is half the weight. Now, that might be really important to you because you are trying to get maybe the swing weight up on your club. Maybe you're trying to get the overall weight down, give yourself a little speed, and you want that same traditional grip. You could put that on there. Probably the only thing that is a little different here is this bottom portion that's in white. These white stripes there. It says Golf Pride, but feels pretty good. And I would say that you could put these on all your clubs, you know, higher head weight, lighter weight overall. I think it works, especially if you're just trying to make lightweight clubs like the Cobra F Max clubs. You know, you're a little weaker than you were the year before. I know I am, both physically and mentally. But one of the things that you can do here is just, when you're regripping, put these on, maybe get a little bit of that speed back. So I just wanted to show them to you. You know, it's got this little white end cap right there, a little white down there, but otherwise looks exactly the same as everything else, except it's 27 grams. I mean, they call it 25. So I am pretty intrigued by this. Now I will say these aren't the cheapest grips, so I'm not exactly sure why less is more, but however they're doing it, you know, making the rubber a little less dense or whatever, you know, is working, and it's probably worth the premium technology. So if you want a little more speed and the same type of grip that you have been playing your whole life, hey, check out the Golf Pride Tour 25 gram grips. I think you might like them. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.